So pretty. Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. Today I'm going to show you how to wire wrap briolette earrings. Okay, let's get started making this beautiful earring. Okay, to get started making this, we're going to need 4 cornflake peacock colored pearls. This is abalone, so we're going to need one of these, and this is a briolette style abalone drilled from side to side. We're going to need 4 small gold beads, 2 pieces of 3-inch 22 gauge wire, and then we'll need our earring and our backing. We'll also need flush cutters and round nose pliers. Okay, so what we're going to do first is take one of our 3-inch pieces of wire, put it right through the side, push it down, and we're going to come down about 1/3 of a way down from the right side. I'm going to bring the wire up and then bring it up on this side. So we have a cross in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to push it down a little bit more, like that. So I want it to be fairly close to the top of the pearl. I forgot to mention chain nose pliers. You're also going to need a pair of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the center of our pearl, which is about right there. And that's where we need to take the longer piece of wire and push it straight up. So that's going to go up like that. Then I'm going to take the shorter wire and push it down. Using my fingers, I'm going to wire wrap around this longer wire. And I'm just going to go ahead and push it around with my fingers. So I've come around 2 times. Then what I'm going to do is take my chain nose pliers and see if I can get this wire to the back, like that. I'm going to cut it off at the back. There's a little part sticking up right there. I'm going to go ahead and push that down. There I have my briolette, my wire wrap briolette. So pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the wire to the side. Just using my pliers, bring it to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Then using my round nose pliers, I'm going to roll it towards me to make my loop. Okay, now I'm going to work on the body of the earring. We just did this. Now we're going to do this. So what I need to do is come down with my chain nose pliers, bend the wire back, switch out for my round nose pliers, and I'm going to form a loop. I can use my chain nose pliers and straighten out my loop. I'm going to bring in my gold beads, and I'm going to start, it looks like I'm just going to start stacking them on my eye pin. So I'm going to put one on, and then a bead, then another one, another bead, another cornflake pearl, another bead, and my last cornflake pearl. And it looks like I actually have a bead on the top too, so I'm going to go ahead and put a bead on the top, so I don't need this one. Okay, now what I have to look at is the hole on my earring. So it's front facing, so I need to make my loop from front to back this way, not side to side. So I'm going to go ahead and take my chain nose pliers. Let me get this straight at the bottom. I'm going to push the wire to the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut off. Using my round nose pliers, I'm going to roll it towards me. Now I have my middle segment complete. I'm going to go ahead and open up the bottom. I'm just going to twist it up. I'm going to hang on my abalone and twist it back down. To connect my earring, I'm going to do the same way. I'm going to twist it up, put on my earring, and twist it back down. I can slip on my earring backing. And there you have your beautiful earrings. I hope this video was useful for you and you will give these a try. They are so beautiful on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.